In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the 7-day moving average in Tableau using table calculations. This is a valuable skill set for anyone who regularly works with data, allowing you to better understand trends over time, smooth out daily fluctuations, and highlight the general direction your data is heading. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to achieve this. First, make sure you have the Tableau public app open. It's a powerful tool for visualizing your data in various ways, and today we'll leverage it to make a moving average. Once you've launched the application, go ahead and access your worksheet by either opening an existing workbook or creating a new one. This is where you'll start assembling your data visualization. Next, you'll need to organize your data by time period. Drag the date field to the filters pane and choose to filter the data by month. By filtering monthly, you're ensuring that the data is distinct and organized. After you've applied your filter, drag the date field again, this time to the columns shelf. Set it to display the exact day. This step helps lay out your data on a day-by-day basis, which is essential for calculating moving averages. Now, choose a measure that you'd like to analyze. For example, let's say you're interested in seeing how unit sales have been performing over time. Drag your chosen measure, such as units sold, onto the row shelf. This action will create a preliminary view of your data. After setting up your measure, you might want to change the default view type to a bar chart for better initial visualization. To do so, go to the view options and change the chart type to bar. This type of chart can make it easier to see individual data points before calculating the moving average. Having set up your visual, we'll begin with the table calculations. First, drag the same measure you used earlier, like units sold, into the row shelf again. Once there, click on the drop-down arrow on your measure and select Quick Table Calculation. From the options presented, choose Moving Average. This action automatically calculates the average for the preceding days, smoothing out fluctuations. With the moving average in place, let's refine it. Click the same drop-down and this time opt for Edit Table Calculation. In the settings, adjust the settings to a 7-day interval and uncheck the option for the current value. This adjustment ensures that you focus solely on data trends over the past week. Finally, for clearer trend visualization, change your chart from a bar to a line chart. By doing so, the newly calculated moving average will present a smooth line, making it easy to observe trends. For enhanced clarity, consider using a dual axis, which you can do by clicking the drop-down again and selecting Dual Axis. Synchronizing the axis here can also be beneficial for clearer comparisons between the moving average and daily data points. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've effectively created a 7-day moving average in Tableau. This visualization will help you make better informed decisions by concentrating on the broader trends in your data over time. Hope you found this tutorial helpful.